Hello everyone, I am Aditya.
I am Aryan.
This is Prabhav.
And I'm Vishal.
We are group number 6 and our project is noise detector for silent zone area. The aim is to make a sensitive smart noise detector that will identify a loud token in the silent zone area, such as library, hospital, etc. And the secondary objective is to regulate the sensitivity level of the noise detector so that it can distinguish between loud token and the other loud noises in the corresponding area. To achieve this, we primarily divide the work into four subcategories. First is creating a source code algorithm. Second one is building an app layout. Third one is preparation of an external hardware. And the fourth one is integration of the source code with the Arduino Uno board. Now I will hand it to Prabha.
So I will briefly explain the code now. The first part is to assign the variables to the sensor pin, buzzer and light, and setting long string values to create an average and a threshold value. The next part is the setup function, in which we must assign an input and output function. Here sensor pin will act as an input, while light and buzzer will act as an output. This is our Bluetooth baud rate which we will consider. The third part is the void loop function, in which we will create an if operator which will take into account this Bluetooth baud rate and convert it into an integer value, which will then convert into a threshold value. The last part of the code is creating a sensor function. For this, we must create a threshold value, which will basically be the average value. And here average value means the total sum of all the readings upon the number of readings. In this code, we have taken an average of 160 readings here. If this value, which will come from our Bluetooth baud rate, is greater than our created threshold value, it will digital write our light pin and our light will blink for 2 seconds. So now I'll take Vishal to explain you to the app layout.
So now I'm going to explain the app that we have designed using the MIT App Inventor for our project. So this is what our app design looks like. Here is EFI silence zone and the phone is connected via Bluetooth. So you can adjust the Bluetooth sensitivity level with this and you can control the Bluetooth baud rate. So baud rate is basically the rate at which information is transferred in any communication channel. Now let me show you the building blocks behind this app. So here you can see there are many built-ins like control, logic, match, text, list, dictionaries, etc. We have designed our app using these built-ins only. Here is a when do operator, and whenever the list picker is 1 dot before picking, it will do set the list picker 1 and elements to Bluetooth client 1 and addresses and names. Another we have used the when do operator for list picker 1. If the call is Bluetooth client 1 and it will connect address and selection, then it will set the label 1 dot text to connected. So here it mentions that the Bluetooth is connected. Here also you can see we have used this when do operator, and finally we have used the when do operator in the clock dot timer. Now if the Bluetooth client 1 is connected, so this operator is basically to receive the Bluetooth signals. And so this was our finally designed app after all these blocks. So now I'll hand over to Aditya.
So as you can see on the screen, these are the references which we have used to make the app and also to make the code. Now I will upload the code in my Arduino board and also install the app in my phone.
Now I will show you the demonstration, but before that, let's see the components. This one is the Arduino board. This one is the Bluetooth HC05 chip. This one is the sound sensor. This one LED, and this is a buzzer. So I have started the Arduino and uploaded code in it, and also connected it with laptop for power supply. Also I have started the app in my phone, and in that you can see there are two numbers written there. The number on the left side is the reading of the sensor, and number on the right side is the threshold number which I have set. And when the reading when crosses the threshold, the buzzer will start buzzing. Now you will see when I will set the threshold to 30, it will start. So as you have seen, when I set the threshold to 29 and the current reading of the sensor was also near to. So now let us try with setting threshold to 34. Hello, hello, hello. When I am speaking, the reading is increased and it crosses 34 and the buzzer buzzes.